Excuse the voice. Please go ahead and subscribe because we need, I don't know, 800 and something more subscribers. Here we are once again cleaning the cat room. I am sick, so my voice sounds a little weird, but um, praise the Lord, I get better, and I cannot afford to be sick, so I have to work extra hard um, to get better. Um, I have cats to take care of, and no one takes care of me but myself. So, um, here I am cleaning the cat room, feeling sick, not feeling like I wanted to be here, but I'm here. And I'm cleaning, I'm doing my best. The cat's just following me around, like, come on, lady, pay attention to me, stop cleaning, lady, play with me. But it's like, I gotta clean, homie. Homies, I appreciate everybody following, subscribing, sending us love, sending us treats. We are so appreciative. We love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Much love. God bless you all for watching.